Hi, I'm Lauren, the owner and founder of the Monarch Studio, where we create high-quality, handmade mud kitchens that transform children's everyday outdoor play into delightful, imaginative, sensory-rich outdoor adventures. Now we're on a mission to make this magical experience accessible to even more families by developing do-it-yourself mud kitchen plans so everyone can enjoy the wonders of outdoor sensory play, no matter their space or budget. At the Monarch Studio, we're passionate about quality. Our mud kitchens are the best in the business, and that's why we're the perfect team to create the ultimate do-it-yourself plans. But we need your support to make it happen. Together, we can empower more families to create beneficial outdoor experiences for their kids with a do-it-yourself mud kitchen that's not only easy to build, but fits perfectly into any outdoor space, something our competitors just can't match. We're raising funds to take the Monarch Studio to the next level. Our goals include creating do-it-yourself mud kitchen plans, launching a marketing campaign to spread the word, and moving from our current 40-foot container into a fully equipped studio with running water and electricity. This new space will allow us to work with even more efficiency and creativity. We're also designing 4 interactive back walls to add a whole new dimension to mud kitchen play, offering endless possibilities for creativity, learning, and fun. But we can't do it without you. By supporting our project, you're helping us bring these incredible experiences to more families. Sensory play is vital for children's brain development, motor skills, and to reduce screen time. Together we can give kids everywhere the tools they need to grow, learn, and have a blast outdoors. Please be so kind to donate today and share our campaign online and with your friends and families so that together we can develop today's children into tomorrow's successful adults. Thank you so much for all of your contributions and help.